We're taking you behind the scenes at Pioneer Home's packaging facility to see how Honda packaging line ensures every product arrives at your home safely and securely. It all starts at the palletizing station. Here, workers freely group the package. Now, we're at the measurement station, the eyes of the operation. First, a quick pre-measurement, followed by precise positioning. Length, width, and height are instantly calculated and sent to the cutting machine, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Watch as the carton cutting machine springs into action. Using the measurement data, it automatically cuts custom-sized boxes fast, accurate, and tailor-made. When the panel arrives, the feeder seamlessly aligns the box with the product, a flawless handoff. At the box flipping station, workers add corner protectors and fillers, securing the base to ensure the product stays protected during transit. Finally, the box sealing machine takes center stage. It measures the package height, locks it in place, and quickly seals the sides and fronts ends clean, precise, and ready to go. And just like that, a perfectly packaged product is born. From palletizing to sealing, Honda packaging line delivers an automated, efficient solution for Pioneer Home. Honda packaging smarter, faster, and more reliable, empowering every product with precision and care.